Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to install WordPress on Xampp. In this tutorial, we will walk you through each step of the installation process, allowing you to create and test your WordPress website in a controlled environment before going live. Before we begin, make sure you have Xampp installed on your computer. Xampp is a powerful tool that provides a local server environment, including Apache, MySQL, PHP, and more, essential for running WordPress locally. If you don't know how to install Xampp, check I button for how to install Xampp on your computer. If everything is okay, let's get started. Open Xampp Control Panel. Start the Apache and MySQL services. These services are required to create a web server and database for your WordPress installation. Open your web browser and search WordPress download. Click on first link. Download the latest version of WordPress. I have already downloaded the latest version of WordPress on my computer, so I am not downloading it again. Once downloaded, extract the files. I rename it to My Site. Open Xampp and go to Application folder. Now open htdocs folder. Copy WordPress file and paste it to htdocs folder. Open any browser and type localhost. Get a new tab and type localhost / your folder name. For me it's localhost / my site. Click Let's Go. Now, we have to create a database. For that, go to Previous tab. Click on PHP-MyAdmin. Go to Databases and give a database name. I give it to my site_database. Click on Create. Our database successfully created. Let's copy our database name. Paste it to here. We use default username root. Keep password blank. Database host and table prefix keep as well. Click on Submit. Click Run the installation. Type your website details here. And click on Install WordPress. Click Login. Type your login information here. Click Login. We have successfully installed WordPress on our local server. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe to our channel.